But the statement I'm going to make this afternoon is about Ratu Tevita Mara. There's been a lot of questions with regard to Ratu Tevita Mara in the last 24 hours. Members of the press, we have confirmation that Ratu Tevita Mara was extracted by the Royal Tongan Navy Patrol Boat Savua on the 9th of May 2011 from within Fiji's territorial waters. Preliminary investigations nullify the claims of a search and rescue mission of Southern Ono. However, we can confirm that the illegal extraction of Ratu Tevita Mara took place 1 nautical mile northwest of Cape Washington in Kadavu. The Fijian government takes strong exceptions to such breaches of Fiji's sovereignty. I intend to communicate with the Tongan Prime Minister within the next 24 hours about these breaches. Following his appearance in court on 4th May 2011, Ratu Tevita was to have surrendered his passport by 10 a.m. the next day after he was granted bail. He did not surrender his passport and did not report to police last Friday, 13th May, as ordered by the court, thus breaching his bail conditions. He is fleeing Fiji, now makes him a fugitive under the Extradition Act. The DPP will present various documentation to the courts tomorrow morning to commence extradition proceedings of this fugitive. This is a said state of affairs, said in the fact that the fleeing and extraction of Ratu Tevita also demonstrates to us all that there are some people in Fiji who have facilitated this illegal act. In this respect, the Commissioner of Police has already commenced investigations to find out who facilitated the fleeing of an accused person and conspired to breach Fiji's sovereignty. This is unfortunate and shows a fundamental disloyalty to Fiji, Fijian laws, and the Fijian people. Ratu Tevita's actions is an act of despicable nature for one who is accused of offenses against Fijian law. Apart from the charges of sedition, investigations have revealed his involvement in an unaccounted for $3 million from Fijian Pine Trust. The government of Fiji is committed to ensuring that the independence of judiciary is upheld and all who break the law are held accountable. Government intends to maintain a long harmonious relationship with the Kingdom of Tonga despite the actions of one fugitive. It would be unfortunate for one individual to compromise this historical relationship. I, on behalf of the people of Fiji and the government of Fiji, urge the Tongan royal family, the Tongan Prime Minister, the government of the Kingdom of Tonga, and more so the people of Tonga, who I know cherish their inextricable cultural, economic, and socio-political ties with Fiji, to stop this conspiracy by a handful of self-interested individuals.